E-2 Visa Renewal Process. What to expect and how to prepare. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss, the E-2 Visa Renewal Process. If you're an E-2 visa holder looking to extend your stay in the United States, this video is for you. I'm here to guide you through what to expect and how to prepare for your E-2 visa renewal. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details, let's quickly go over the key points we'll cover in this video. Number 1. Understanding the E-2 visa renewal process. Number 2. Timelines and deadlines. Number 3. Required documentation. Number 4. Business performance and financials. Number 5. Preparation for the U.S. Embassy interview. Number 6. Common pitfalls to avoid. Number 7. Tips for a successful E-2 visa renewal. Understanding the E-2 visa renewal process. First, let's talk about understanding the E-2 visa renewal process. Renewing your E-2 visa is a crucial step to continue your entrepreneurial journey in the United States. The renewal process is similar to the initial application, but there are some key differences. While some aspects remain the same, such as demonstrating substantial investment and running a viable business, there are some key differences you need to be aware of. One important aspect of the renewal process is understanding the eligibility requirements. You must continue to meet the criteria that were initially established for your E-2 visa. This includes maintaining the required level of investment, ensuring the business is actively operating, and proving that the investment is still generating economic benefits. Timelines and deadlines. Next, let's discuss timelines and deadlines. It's crucial to be aware of the expiration date of your current E-2 visa and plan ahead. The renewal process can take several months, so it's advisable to start early and avoid any last-minute rush. Required documentation. Now, let's move on to the required documentation. You'll need to provide updated business and financial documents, as well as evidence of continued investment in the United States. Gathering the necessary documentation is crucial for a successful E-2 visa renewal. You will need to provide updated financial statements, tax returns, and business activity reports to demonstrate the ongoing viability of your enterprise. Additionally, you may need to show evidence of job creation, payroll records, and any changes in the ownership structure of your business. It's essential to gather and organize these documents to present a strong case for your visa renewal. Business performance and financials. Business performance and financials play a significant role in the renewal process. You'll need to demonstrate that your business is actively operating, generating revenue, and earning sufficient profits to provide the E-2 applicant and dependent family with a comfortable living in the U.S. Prepare financial statements, tax returns, employee records, contracts, and any other documentation that showcases the success and sustainability of your enterprise. Prepare a comprehensive business plan that outlines your business's current status, future projections, and strategies for growth can significantly enhance your interview preparation. The business plan should demonstrate your understanding of market trends, competitive analysis, and how your business adapts to changes. This will showcase your commitment and preparedness to the consular officer. Preparation for the embassy interview. Preparing for the embassy interview is another crucial step. Research the types of questions typically asked during the interview and practice your responses. Be confident, articulate, and provide clear explanations about your business and its impact on the U.S. economy. First and foremost, it's essential to familiarize yourself with the E-2 visa renewal requirements and review your application thoroughly. Make sure all the information is accurate, up-to-date, and consistent with your current business operations. This will help you confidently answer any questions during the interview. Understanding the role of the consular officer conducting the interview is another crucial step. Each officer may have a different approach, but they are generally looking to assess the viability and authenticity of your business. Anticipate questions related to your business operations, investment, job creation, and plans for the future. One key aspect of preparation is to practice your responses to potential interview questions. Consider conducting mock interviews with a trusted advisor or immigration attorney who can provide constructive feedback. This will help you refine your answers and build confidence in conveying your business's value and contribution to the U.S. economy. Common pitfalls to avoid. Now, let's address some common pitfalls to avoid during the E-2 visa renewal process. These pitfalls can have a significant impact on your application, potentially leading to delays or even a visa denial. By being aware of these pitfalls and taking necessary precautions, you can increase your chances of a successful renewal. Let's dive in. One common pitfall is making mistakes in your application. Even small errors can have serious consequences. It's crucial to carefully review your application multiple times, ensuring that all the information is accurate and consistent. Check for spelling errors, incorrect dates, or missing signatures. Remember, attention to detail is key. Another pitfall to avoid is missing documentation. Failing to include all the required documents can lead to delays in the processing of your application. Take the time to carefully review the list of required documents provided by the immigration authorities. Ensure that you have gathered all the necessary paperwork and submit a comprehensive application package. One more pitfall to avoid is failing to meet all the requirements. Each renewal has specific criteria that must be met, such as maintaining the required level of investment, demonstrating ongoing business operations, and providing evidence of job creation. Thoroughly review the renewal requirements and gather the necessary evidence to support your case. Tips for a successful E-2 visa renewal. Lastly, here are some tips for a successful E-2 visa renewal. Maintain accurate and up-to-date records of your business activities, finances, and employment. Stay informed about any changes in immigration laws or policies that may impact your renewal. And, of course, seeking professional guidance is essential to navigate the complexities of the E-2 visa renewal process. A knowledgeable immigration attorney can provide valuable insights, help you understand the requirements, and ensure that your E-2 renewal application is complete and well prepared. That wraps up our discussion on the E-2 visa renewal process. Remember, preparation and attention to detail are key to a successful renewal. Understanding the E-2 visa renewal process is crucial for a seamless transition and continued business success in the United States. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.